Loop thread is a type of sewing thread that is made from multiple strands of thread twisted together to form a loop. The loop gives the thread a softer texture, a higher sheen, and an increased ability to hold stitches in place. Loop thread is commonly used in embroidery, quilting, and other decorative stitching applications. It comes in a variety of colors and weights, and can be made from a wide range of materials including cotton, silk, rayon, and polyester. One of the benefits of loop thread is its ability to create a raised, three-dimensional effect in embroidery and other decorative stitching. This effect is created by stacking multiple stitches on top of each other, creating a raised surface that catches the light and adds depth to the design. Loop thread can be used in combination with other types of thread to create a variety of effects and textures in stitching. It can be used for outlining, filling in areas, and adding texture and dimension to designs. Overall, loop thread is a versatile and popular type of sewing thread that is widely used in decorative stitching applications.